Hi everyone. I want to show you the structure of the course on Blackboard so you can see how I've organized the material and you can see what the consistency is that I'm building in for each week. So to begin, the entry point of the course is the announcements page. There will be a new announcement posted every Monday morning that will talk you through what's going to be going on that week. And if anything comes up during the week, the announcements will populate here. So it should be the first thing that you are aware of. Over here on the left in the menu, the top section is the My Course section. This is everything related to your course. So your syllabus is here. This is in doc form. This is in PDF form. The course schedule down here is in doc form. You can see a video similar to this one, which will walk you through the different sections and details of the syllabus. The course information link talks about the description and the goals of the course, the textbook required, and the weekly schedule of topics that we'll be covering, and these are corresponding to chapters in the textbook. The My Instructor link is a little bit about me. I'll share more when we do our discussion board interviews next week. The announcements page, I already mentioned, this is your entry point, but it's also here in the left top section. The next section down is called My Work. This is all where you're going to find everything that you're working on. The current week is going to be your go-to location on this menu. The current week will always show that week's work folder and everything that you need to do the assignments for that week. So each new week, a new folder gets linked here, and the previous week's folder goes down here into this previous week's category. So in this week, our very first week together, we have a checklist, a journal entry assignment, a writing survey assignment, and a link to the general discussion board if you have any questions you'd like to post there. So this week's checklist, each week you'll have a checklist. This matches the course schedule that's in the syllabus and here in the course information page. So read, view, and do. There will be some reading assignments, some things to view or listen to, and activities that you need to complete. For this week, you'll want to look through the syllabus, read the announcement, look at the bio, and read pages 1 to 10 in the textbook. The syllabus is also available for you to watch, and you'll need to respond to a reading survey by Sunday at midnight and do a 2 to 3 paragraph journal entry. The discussion boards link will take you to the various discussion boards that are active. This one here, the general questions discussion board, will always be here throughout the whole semester. That's where you're going to post everything that you have a question about that's not personal in nature. So the reason to post those questions here is that other students have the benefit of learning from your question and the discussion around it. The My Journal link is where you're going to be writing some posts throughout the semester. This is private and only viewable by you and I. The planner is similar to your home page. Grades, where you'll see your grades. Previous weeks is where you'll find all of the weeks that have passed as we go through the course. Ideas to share is a blogging tool, which I don't have activated yet. And then there's the tools and typical content available on Blackboard. So that gets you through everything that you need to know for right now. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and post them to the General Questions Discussion Board. Okay? I look forward to talking to you guys online. Take care.